Installation Guide for Shelf-Mounted Axial Fans. Step 1. Measure and determine the placement of the fan and the duct system. Step 2. Pour the concrete base for fan installation. Step 3. Drill holes for anchor bolts and position the fan. Step 4. Install the base plate into position and weld the fan support shelf securely to the base plate. Step 5. Install the vibration dampening springs onto the fan support shelf and secure them in position using nuts and bolts or by welding. Step 6. Place the axial fan, the type with a base, pedestal, onto the pre-installed spring location. Step 7. Install 2 nuts to secure the axial fan to the vibration dampening springs or shock absorbers. Step 8. Install 2 auxiliary flanges onto the 2 ends of the axial fan. Step 9. Install the flexible anti-vibration joint and the rain cap elbow onto the auxiliary flanges of the fan, along with the 2 duct reducer cones, and secure them using self-drilling screws or nuts and bolts. Step 10. Test run and inspect.